What is an underbase, and when do you need one? An underbase is a layer of white or light ink laid down first, acting as a base or foundation for printing really colorful designs on dark garments. Without it, your colors might look dull or muted, especially when using a lighter color. To show you the difference, we'll print one design without an underbase first, then one with an underbase. Here's the result without an underbase. The colors look slightly faded and less vibrant than they should. Now, let's print the same design with an underbase. We'll start by laying down a layer of white ink. We'll flash that real fast and then add the colors on top. See the difference? With an underbase, the colors are bright, bold, and stand out more than they would without the underbase. So when do you really need an underbase? Well, if you're looking for vibrant prints, definitely use one. But if you like the more muted, distressed look, you can leave it out. Now, to find out if you really need an underbase or if you can get away with the print flash print method, stay tuned for part 2.